Hi, so this is the main dashboard of the fleet management. So further moving towards the fleet management dashboard. So this is the overview page where we can know the overall status of all the equipments and their associated cycle count, their current state and the status. And also for looking forward for the deep in detail description about that particular equipment, we can go through this in detail page where we can know the in detail information about that particular equipment type. Now moving towards the intake form. So this form is mainly used to register new battery. So here we can provide all those fields to register the new battery. So here we can provide the client name, the customer, and here we can submit the data. So after submitting the data, if we want to perform edit or deletion operation on that data, we can perform here. So here we can see the current entry which we have entered is being saved here. So further we can edit the data as well here. So let's see now from equipment type we will change it to airport tax GNC and we'll save it. So here we can see the record is being updated successfully, and also the changes are being displayed here. And further if we want to delete this date record, we can perform deletion operation as well. And here we can see the data is being deleted. Now moving forward to the client form. So here basically we can register the new user client using their user email and the client name. So here we will now register the new user email and the client name. So here we can see the form is being submitted successfully, and here we can see the current entry. Further we can perform the addition and deletion operation as well. So here we can edit the record successfully, and also we can delete it. Now moving towards the equipments dashboard. So this is the equipments dashboard where we can see the in-depth information about that particular equipment, like from which state and city they belongs to, and the equipment for full model name. Also we can perform the filtration on based on the equipment type, and further filters are being available here. Also the download CSV option is being available here, and also we can perform the search operation as well. And this is a database where all the data is being saved from the topics, real-time topics from Kafka topics. And so here are the 8 topic names and their tables. Now this project mainly focused on the ETL process, that like to save data from the Kafka topics, and the storage is saved in the MySQL database and the AWS S3 bucket, and how to utilize that particular data to form this dashboard and to know the real-time insights for those equipment types, and to know their in-depth